Hello everyone, and today I want to talk about a powerful concept, and I wrote this simple melody, Breezy Dog, to demonstrate this powerful concept that I learned from Dan Crary. I saw him using it in Sally Gooden many years ago, and he was doing something like and so I thought, wow, that sounds so good, and this is a good exercise for the pinky too, because we have hammer-ons and we need to use the pinky a lot, and so that makes the pinky stronger. So let me guide you through Breezy Dog real quick. And if you need a deeper and a fuller breakdown video, or if you need a tablature, you can go to my channel, Flatpicking Experience, or you can download the full video lesson on my store. Okay, you will find the links and the description. Anyway, let me go through the Breezy Dog. First phrase, slowly. See, I'm playing a very simple melody, and I don't move those two fingers, and I need to play hammer-ons here. That's a good workout for the pinky. And very simple melody. And now keep in mind that melody needs to stand out. In other words, we need to have a very light strum. Okay, when we strum, and we usually strum on the top two strings like this. You see the difference between the volume of the notes, of the melody notes, and the volume of the strum. That's very, very important. Okay, and then the second phrase, very similar. And now so just a little run. Then we play an F note. That's a leading note to the next chord. That will be C to the B section. Okay, so and here we go. Ready for the B section. B section, we have a C chord, and the first phrase goes like this, slowly. Okay, again, so you see hammer on, but I'm not lifting the other fingers, the index and middle finger, ring finger. Back to G. Now, little surprise, we have an A minor there. And now we have a D chord, and then a few harmonics. Third, fourth, and second. And we're ready to play the top again, the A part again. Just the same. And here at the end, we play a little lick. Let me play it slowly. Pinky. And that's the fingering. Pinky, index, slide, middle finger, and middle finger again. Alright, that's Breezy Dog. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And again, if you need the tablature, and if you need a longer breakdown video, you can join my instructional channel over at TrueFire. It's called Flatpicking Experience. Or you can download the single video lesson at my store. Again, you will find the links in the description. And now that you know this powerful idea, see if you can use it in your own breaks and in your own playing. Alright, so thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao ciao!